Hello class. For our lesson today, we are going to embed a video into a blog post. Our objectives are use Blogger by Google, use YouTube, and embed a YouTube video onto Blogger. Our procedures are students will choose a YouTube video that's appropriate for their blog. Students will follow the teacher's verbal procedural steps to embed the YouTube video onto the blog, and students will present their blog and video to the class. Students will be assessed using the given rubric, appropriateness of their video, and the content of the presentation. To begin, we will open up our Gmail accounts we previously created, and at the top where it says More, click More. There should be a downward arrow, and click Bloggers if you're using blogs today. My blog we are using today is Traveling, so I go over to the side and click Traveling. We are creating a new blog post, so I go up to the top left where there's a pencil icon, and it says Create New Post. Click that. The post we are creating today is embedding a YouTube video onto Blogger, so I go to this top toolbar and click Insert a Video. We have already found our videos from YouTube, so I go to the left and click From YouTube and type in the video we have previously selected. And then click Search. I chose the first one, so if the orange box has highlighted it, and I click it, then click Select. I then write a little blurb at the bottom. To complete our project, you then click Publish, and the blog post will be published to your blog. Thank you, and have a good day.